Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Suraksha, and as you guys read by the title that today we are going to do a no makeup look, and this is what the result is, you guys. So yeah, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It will mean the world to me. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first thing is to get my hair back. So this is sorted. Now the first product that I am going to use is a moisturizer, and I'm using this Pond's Light moisturizer. I personally like this moisturizer. I have used almost half tub, but I like to use it a lot. So I'm done with my moisturizer. Now I'm going to let it sit for at least a minute or so it gets absorbs in my skin. So now I'm going to use this Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer to prime my face. I usually apply sunscreen after my moisturizer, but today, as I'm not going out anywhere, so I'm going to skip that part. But you should never skip it if you are going somewhere. That is a must. I'm done with prepping up my face. Now the next step is concealer. As this is a no makeup look, so I'm not going in with a foundation because I really want it to be subtle. So I'm going to use a concealer, and the concealer that I am using is Maybelline's Instant Rewind Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealer. It is amazing, to be honest. ये यूज करने के बाद I don't think you need a foundation. So yeah. Even in a no makeup look, I don't skip my concealer because you can see I have really dark under eyes. So yeah, I need to have it. I'll correct all the spots where I feel that I need it. Very little by little. So yeah, as you all can see that I have applied concealer in my inner corners and outer corners. The reason being is कि if I'll apply concealer in a triangle way, तो crease आने के chances बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, which we usually don't want. So yeah. With a little dabbing, I'll just put the excess concealer all over my face to create a very sheer line of concealer. As you all can see that I have spread my concealer all over my face. Now I'm going to use a beauty blender to put concealer in my skin on my face to set my concealer. It is a wet beauty blender. So yeah. I'm done with my concealer, but I know I have an oily skin type, so I know in a some time or so my under eyes will start creasing a lot. So to set that, I'm going to use a translucent powder, and I'm going to use this Lakme's 9 to 5 finishing powder to set my under eye. I'm going to set my powder for a minute or so. Till then I'm going to do my brows, and for brows I'm using this Wet n Wild brow kit, and you guys can see it is, I'm already hitting a pan. I love this so much. I use it every single day. Yeah. I usually don't do a lot with my brows. I just fill in the gaps, which I don't think I have much. थोड़ी सी है that I fill because that makes a huge. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but yeah, it does make a huge difference. I'm done with my brows. Now I'm going to dust off the powder. It's it. Now I'm done with my base. Now what I am going to do is apply some blush, because even in a no makeup look, blush is something that will enhance whatever you are doing on your face. Even if it is just a concealer, there have been so many times that I have not put any makeup on. I have just put some blush and I was good to go. I think blush is very underrated. So for blush I'm going to use this Faces Ultimate Pro Face Palette. It comes with the bronzer, blush and highlighter, and I love all three of these. They are amazing. So yeah, I'm taking a blush brush. I like to go extra with my blush for some reason. I think blush is, yeah. You see the difference it creates? It is amazing. It will look like you have so much natural glow on, and on the other side it was just like you have put some makeup. That's it. It is that amazing. I feel blush makes any makeup very pop out. I like to apply blush on my nose as well, basically all over my face. So it looks like कि वो अंदर से natural glow. I'm sorry for all the pataka noises if there are any, because लोग दिवाली हो गई but people are not stopping. I know it was very frustrating. Now I'm done with my blush, but what I am going to do is that you guys can see my upper eyelid is little bit dark, so I'm going to use the same palette and use the blush shade. Take a blush shade on my finger and put up, like it will feel like you. So now I have a very basic pink neutral going on my face. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara, because mascara is something I prefer than a liner, because liner is too much work for me. So I always prefer mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara in the shade dark black or black, I don't know. Even in a single coat you can see the difference. I personally like it a lot. I'm done with my mascara. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. I like to use a subtle highlighter for my daily use for no makeup look, but I like to use highlighter. So I'm going to use the same palette, Faces ka Ultimate Pro palette, and this highlighter, it is very subtle, very nice highlighter. So I'm done with my highlighter, and the only thing that is left is lipstick. And for lipstick I'm going to use is this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. Lipstick, but I am feeling a little pinkish on my lips. I don't know why, but I'm feeling a little pinkish on my lips, so I'm going to go ahead and mix my lipstick with the Nykaa's Chai. I always mix and match with my lipsticks, and I love all the lipsticks ka combination with chai. I don't know, for some reason. I'm just going to roughly do it. So I'm done with the look, and this is the final result, you guys. I hope you liked it. It is very simple and easy makeup. It hardly takes 10 minutes to do it. Even if you're going to run some errands and you want to make yourself look put together, then I guess this is what it is. If you are someone who does not like to apply that much makeup even for no makeup look, you can skip the concealer part and instead go ahead and use BB cream, any BB cream, that works fine. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to let me know in the comment section below that what you guys want to see next. Till then, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. I love you all.